Good morning, welcome back to another video. Well, today we're on the folding bikes again and we're up at Liverpool Airport. So let's go for the ride and check it out. Lennon Airport. Got arrivals there. We've just stopped off at Starbucks to get a couple of coffees. You've also down there got a Greg's. So we just come outside from Starbucks. 2 coffees, £8.60. Back end here, there's the tower there. An EasyJet on the runway over there. Well, thanks for watching. Take care. Also, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.